A little bit lower, Bryce. You're aiming
Now
too high.
to the right. Here. Where are you aiming?
I was aiming for this cup.
Okay, Bryce, come on.
Use both eyes.
Choo-choo.
You get tired?
Yes. I'm getting tired. I want to get right here.
Right there. Go. Oh.
Oh. Dad.
Wow, you were way off to the side.
You put him there.
Come on, Bryce. You
Aim
can
for
do
the
it.
middle. Whoa. You're like, where are you aiming?
No, don't get mad. You have one more bullet, I think.
No, he has 5.
How? 5. Yep. One more.
No, we'll get a bullet, Bryce. Grab your bullet. No. Hold on, Jacob. Not your turn.
It's not.
Good to go.
Come on, Bryce. You can do it.
It's good to go.